Superhero Week at Kid City. My name is Aquabot. How did I get that name, you might ask? Later in this post, we'll be posting what's your superhero name using the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name. My name is Erin, so Aqua. My last name is Swisher. Bot. Aquabot. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful afternoon. Let's get started with our crafts for Superhero Week. First, we have a Captain America shield. You need a template. A Frisbee or a plate would do just fine. Your coloring utensils, crayons, colored pencils, markers, paint, whatever you want to use. You will simply color in your Captain America shield, as I have already done. You will cut it out on the last ring here, and then all you simply do is tape your shield to your Frisbee or plate. Pretty simple craft here. Then on the back of the Frisbee or plate, you can add a handle. It called for duct tape. I'm going to use masking tape. And there's your Captain America shield. Easy peasy. Okay. The next thing we're working on, our Spider-Man mask. Will you use your template that has been provided? We color it in, and I cut the eyes out. You need string or yarn, a single hole punch. Put it up here, my eyes, check where you need your hole punch. And then you'll just tie your string. If you can, I would highly recommend printing on cardstock paper. It helps with the durability of your mask. If not, paper's just fine, it'll work too. So, I'm going to measure around my head here. Oh, my Aquabot helmet. A little tight. Oh no! I lost it. We're back, sorry. Okay. Okay, here we go. And then you'll tie another knot. And then you have an easy Spider-Man mask. Just like that. Okay, next thing. This is a Superman favor box. Kids, you can put all your little trinkets and collectibles in here. You will print off, again, this would be good if you could print it off on cardstock. If not, it is fine with paper. All of these templates have been provided for you. I did notice on the Superman favor box, you need one little V down at the bottom, just like this. For some reason, it did not print off. So this will attach to something. So we're gonna attempt to put this together. You can use a ruler, glue stick, and then you will simply fold all of your creases with the ruler. It's just gonna give it a nice, sharp, crisp line. You do want to cut on the glue portion, the top right here, so that when you can fold it in, and then you will cut all the way to the end here as well. So let's try to assemble this favor box. There's one piece. You obviously will put the glue stick where it says glue. Pretty self-explanatory. There's that side. This is where that tab comes into place. We're going to put some glue right there to hold those two pieces together. That's your bottom. You fold all of your tabs here, and it should go right in here. Just like that. There's your cute little Superman favor box. Okay, next we are going to go to our Superman, superhero, Batman, Aquabot, Green Lantern, Wonder Woman, The Flash. These templates have also been provided, but you can make up your own. And as you can see, you can make several different ones. First, you need 2 toilet paper holders, paint if you choose to paint them. I have already gone ahead and painted these black, both of them. And I'm going to do Green Lantern cuffs right now. So what you're going to do, you need scissors as well. We're going to cut a straight line. On both of them. Color your little template, and then just simply use tape or glue, whatever you would like to put your template on your cuff. And there's your Green Lantern cuff. How cute is that? Cute and easy. I'm also gonna try, I have to make my Aquabot cuffs as well. So I thought we would try a couple pieces of foil. On this one, you wanna go ahead and cut them in half. And then you're gonna have to apply the glue stick, glue, tape. Probably will need quite a bit of this. The edges, and you might just be able to fold the foil on the ends and it will hold as well. But we will try it with glue too. Fold the ends under. The glue will just help hold it in place, but I think you can just fold it on the edges and it will be just fine. I have my Aquabot logo. And there we go. There you have it. Kids, this will fit much better on your little hands, little arms. Okay, so later today, please comment below with your superhero name from our attached superhero list that we'll be posting later today. And also remember, stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you tomorrow for Tasty Tuesday.